So Jamie, after the break between the two phases of the league, we've got the Welsh Cup quarter-final game against Connahs Quay on Saturday. What's your thoughts on the game going to?
Yeah, looking forward to it. I've always liked the Welsh Cup as a player and certainly as a manager, because it's where we've been getting wins so far. So yeah, really looking forward to it.
But it's a derby, although after last week, Nomads lost in the G Cup final, they're going to be coming on as well. It's probably our best chance of getting something out of the season. It's a tasty game going into it, and will it live up to expectations, you think? Or?
Yeah, certainly the last game we played them, it was a close game. Yes, they had a few chances, but they didn't put them away. We came back into it late, and it's going to be a totally different game to that, in the way that was on an Astro. We're now playing them on grass, which is probably their bread and butter. They're used to it. They play on it every other week. So sometimes you say pitches at this time of year could be a leveller. Not really for them. I think for us it's probably a good opportunity for us to play them with the schedule that they've had. They've not had a break. We're fresh. Our squad's stronger. There's going to be people back from injury. There's also potentially a few new signings coming in through the door before the deadline. So yeah, I think it'll be a good time to play them, and obviously, hopefully we can get a result out of it.
And you mentioned the squad news there. Just before the last game against Cardiff, it was quite a depleted squad going down the travel down to the capital. How was the injury front looking going back into it?
Yeah, so I think I said in the after-match chat with Scorio, we had a pretty much starting 11 that could compete in the Welsh Prem, out injured. We've got 5 training tonight, although modified training, because it's their first week back, but it's nice to have them back. Rye, he's been out for a long time, he's training tonight, it's good to see him back. Gaz got injured down in Cardiff, and obviously that break's been good. It's given him an opportunity to get fit. So we're starting to get the squad back together, and that injury list has suddenly halved in a week. Yes, it's still going to take a bit of time for them to get back up to speed and get some sharpness back, but it's nice to have some of them senior players back.
And how much confidence would a win on Saturday give us going into phase 2, especially with how we have now nothing to lose basically going into the phase 2 period?
Yeah, it's massive. I mean, it's obviously irrelevant in terms of the league. It's the cup, but we want to do well in it. We're going into it's a quarter final opportunity to go into the semis, and you never know what can happen. It goes into a neutral ground. It's a great competition, and if we can somehow get to the final, then it's a great day for the lads as well. So, and one they'll never forget. So we do want to do well, and it will give us that confidence boost. But essentially, it's going to have no bearing on the second phase. We're going into the second phase. I'm going to draw a league table on the wall in the changing rooms and have it as everyone starting from zero. It's a 10-game season, and we're going to try and do as well in that mini league as possible.